Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY challenge. This challenge is hosted by Sonia and her channel is Domestic Diva DIY. Sonia is my friend for quite some time now. If you don't know her, let me tell you a little bit about her channel. She does lots of DIY, thrifting, Dollar Tree. I think she lives in Canada. She decorates her house. She actually has two other channels, which is a cooking and home, where she shows lots of cool cooking recipes, and she does a power cleanup on her home channel and decoration. So she got all kinds of good stuff going. If you don't know her, all the information about her will be linked in the description below, along with the playlist of all the cool crafters and DIYers who are participating in this challenge. So after my video, if you would like to see more, just go to the description box and click on the playlist and continue watching. But for this challenge, the theme of the challenge was home sign. So I am reading just to make sure I tell you the right thing. So we need to create a sign, any type. It really doesn't matter. All it has to say at least one word that it indicates home. So I created this really cool sign for my home, and I really like it because I can change it for a different season, for different holidays. So if you're interested on what I have made, please continue watching and I'll show you. Now, okay, so for this project I will need 4 painter sticks. I bought them at Home Depot, and one of the shorter one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my saw to fit those little things over here and over here. Then I cut out some letters for my home sign, and this is how I want it to be. And right here I'm gonna attach the magnet because I want the O to be replaceable for the holidays that I want. So that's how it's gonna be. And then I'm gonna use this right here, and for all of that I'm gonna use my transfer paper for the letters and the sign. And before that, I'm gonna paint it black with my acrylic black paint, and then I'm gonna make white streaks with my Beverly Chalk Plaster color paint just around it. So this is what we're gonna do today, and let's start. Okay, it has been 24 hours and it is dry, so it is exactly how I want it. I was gonna use the staplers and I did try it, if you could see right here, and it just did not work. So what I'll do, I'll just use a little bit of my scent thing just to get the glue off of it. So next step is, for this project, I'm gonna try to transfer this by using my transfer paper. So I will be tracing everything. First this, then the letters, and then I would like to use my Viverly white chalk paint to go over. So that's what is next. Okay, so the paint is dry and I glued in the middle with my E6000 and a little bit of hot glue, a magnet. And I have changed my mind. I don't want to use this one. I want to use more farmhouse for this project. So what I did, I got the ribbon and I just did the magnet. So I don't really want to put it there yet, because what I want to do right now is to go with my Mod Podge over the painted letters, kind of around it, and then on the back right here where the board is, I will make it short, a lot shorter. I will use my staple gun to staple the jute so I can have it hanging. So, and this is a pretty cool, because this magnet will stay and you can change anything you like as the middle for the O. All right, so this is what the next step is. Okay, well, this is all done. Mod Podge is dry, and as I showed you, you can substitute this. I actually like this really cool from Dollar Tree windmill, whatever this was. So you can actually put it that instead. So you can put anything if it's metal and it will stay. So, but for this project, I want it to be a farmhouse, so I made a little flower. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was the first time for me to using my new power tool, the stapler gun. I really loved it. I love how my sign turned out, and I am just in love with that I can change this one piece on it for any type of holiday. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos, there's a playlist in the description below. If you're one of my new people, please say hello in the comments below so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much. And again, thank you, Sonia, for hosting this challenge. Really enjoyed participating. But for now, bye.